In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set phone call alerts in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this feature can be incredibly useful in keeping you updated on your key market movements without having to constantly check your screen. First, we're going to dive right into TradingView, where you probably already spend a good amount of time analyzing charts. Imagine you're focusing on gold as an example for these alerts. On the TradingView chart, go ahead and right-click anywhere on your graph. This is your gateway to personalizing alerts. Once you've right-clicked, you'll see a menu pop up. Look for the option that says Add Alert and click on that. Alerts are your best friend when you need to manage multiple assets, but want to ensure you never miss significant market changes. After you've added an alert, find the Notifications tab. Here you can dictate how you'd like to receive alerts. It's great to have visual or even sound notifications, but we're aiming for phone call alerts. So click on the option that says Webhook URL. This is important because webhook integrations open up a whole new world of automation and communication possibilities. Now, before we go any further, it's essential to note that using a webhook URL option requires a paid plan. This might come as a surprise, but think of it as a worthwhile investment for real-time, actionable notifications that could influence your trading strategy significantly. Next, we need to set up this webhook notification through an external service. Enter CallHook Pro. Open your browser and head to the CallHook Pro website. Here, start by creating an account if you don't already have one. It's straightforward, just a few steps to fill in the necessary information. After creating your account, log in to CallHook Pro. Once you're inside, you'll find an option to connect your TradingView account with this service. This integration enables the alerts from TradingView to trigger a phone call through CallHook Pro. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your TradingView chart to send you phone call alerts using CallHook Pro. Now, instead of constantly monitoring the charts, you can rely on direct phone notifications to alert you of important market changes. Plus, it helps you stay informed and make timely decisions, even when you're on the go. I hope this guide was helpful and that setting up these phone call alerts will keep you ahead of the game. Thanks for watching and happy trading.